Hey guys, this is a question from page number 7. Basically, you're given 4 tables, and they want you to find the one that is an exponential relationship. Okay, I'm going to do this 2 ways. I'm going to show you how to do it without the calculator, and then I'm going to show you how to do it with the calculator. And I do not care which way you do it, as long as you get it right. So let me make this a little bigger. So basically, whenever you have a table, you should always start by subtracting. You should always try to find the common difference, the slope. So basically, it's going to be 9 minus 6 is 3. 12 minus 9 is 3. 15 minus 12 is 3. 18 minus 15 is 3. So these are all going up by plus 3. Once you see that, you know that this is a linear function. So it's not this one. Okay, so we've eliminated one table. Next, gonna do the same thing on the next table. 7 minus 2 is 5. 12 minus 7 is 5. 17 minus 12 is 5. 22 minus 17 is 5. So these are all going up by 5. So this is also a linear function. Now, if we go over to the next one, what you'll see is 16 minus 4 is 12. 64 minus 16 is 48. So you would stop right there. You would stop and say, wait a minute, it's not linear. So now what you're going to do, if it's not linear, you should try dividing. So now I'm going to use blue. This is going to be 16 divided by 4 is 4. 64 divided by 16 is 4. 256 divided by 64 is 4. 1024 divided by 256 is 4. So this is going up by 4 times. So you're multiplying by 4. And when you're multiplying by the same number, that means it's exponential. And that would be the answer. We don't even need to try this one, even though this one is also linear. All right, so this is exponential. So that's one way to do it. And if you understand how to do that, so this is the common difference, because we're subtracting, and this is the common common ratio, which means we are dividing. We divide this one by this one by this one. Yeah. So basically, that's how you would do that. Now, I'm going to show you how to do it using your calculator, because a lot of you are definitely more comfortable with this, and I don't have a problem with it. So very first thing you're going to do is you are going to go to the spreadsheet, home screen to the spreadsheet. This is going to be X. Now, I'm going to enter all of them. And the reason I'm going to enter all of them on the same spreadsheet is because they all have the same X value. So I don't have to keep putting X. I'm going to put it once, and then I'm going to refer to one column as f of X, one column as h of X, the other column is k of X, p of X. I'm not going to put the p of X because I know the answer already. So anyway, just wanted to show you. So this is X. So this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom, that's done. Come over here. I'm going to make this F. Don't put f of X because you can't put 2 letters together. So just put F. And then down here, I'm going to put 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Got that. Now I'm going to come here and I'm going to put h of X. So I put h. And then this one is going to be, what is it? It is 2, 7, 12, 17, 22. That one is done. And then over here, this is going to be k of X. So this one is going to be, let's go up one. This is going to be 4, 16, 64, 256, 1024. Press enter. Boom. That's it. Now, once you enter all the data, you go to the home screen, you go to the next icon, that's the stats spot, and then you just press here. Now, this is going to be the X values. Now, when you come over to the Y column, you're going to have 3 other choices. So you can go through each one and check each one. So I'm going to do F, and now that's a straight line. That's a linear function. And that's what we saw when we looked at the table, we did the common difference. We can do h of X. Now notice, it didn't change because that's also linear. Now, when I go to k of x, now you see it moves. Now, if I go back so that you can see k of x is basically the same thing as the one before. So this is, or h of x is the linear function, but k of x is definitely exponential. Now, if we wanted to, we could come up with the equation menu 4, 6, 8. Boom, that's done. There you go. Merry Christmas. There you go. That's the answer. That's the one. I'm going to stop recording and I'm going to post this.